Hey there, folks. Welcome to the garage. My name is Edward, and I'm the old man that tinkers. Today, I want to tell you a little few things about the 2008 Honda Ridgeline. One of the problems that has come up in the network is the heater blower motor quits working. See right there. The blower motor quits working. And what happens is this is the blower motor, and it sits up in the car like this. Well, what happens is the wiring that goes to it, the wiring is okay. It's the connection that's not. I'll show you a couple of pictures. Okay, so when you come up on this problem, the first thing you do is you're turning your fan switch. You want to check your fuses. Let me show you where the fuse is. So when you come into the truck, you look. Now I've exposed this fuse box because I wanted to check all the fuses and relays. See the light, number 30, and I'll insert a picture here of the fuse box. Number 30 is the fuse. Well, I just checked all the fuses and made sure that all of them were functioning. Then you come over here to the relay box, and this fuse here and this relay are the ones that you check. I have a relay tester, and I tested all these relays. They're all fine. I tested that relay. I tested all the fuses. All the fuses are fine. But even though all the fuses were fine, when I turned the fan on here, nothing would happen. I mean, literally nothing. Well, here's the solution. A lot of this wiring, now I don't know if you can see this or not. I'm going to try. Let me get a flashlight. Let me go get a flashlight. Okay, right under the glove box, right under here, is your fan motor. You're right there. Here's your fan motor. Here's where the wires plug into it. Where's that cap? Anyway. Oh, there's the cap. This is the cap that goes on over this that protects the wires. There's your wires. You got the blue and white. The blue and white right there. And the dark blue. The dark blue is the ground, and the blue and white is the positive. The wires then go over to your resistor. You see I've got my resistor unplugged. It's because I was testing the voltage right there at the plug. Then the wires come back, and they come over here. And right here, behind this metal panel, now you can't see this metal panel. I'll insert a picture with this bottom corner taken off of it. Right here. Right here. Here's the picture. So this plug, you see the little Christmas tree thingy, it sits right back here behind this, and it plugs right into the side. This is the main wiring harness coming out of the under dash, and this is the harness, the sub harness. This one right here is the sub harness. You see that burnt spot? That is the blue and white wire right there. Mine is beige now, and if I can focus, you see my wire is beige now. It's not blue and white anymore because it's overheated. But if you look here in the harness, this wire, let me see if I can get you a good picture here. Yeah, this wire is still blue and white, but you can look in there and see where it's burnt, right? Now let me tell you a little bit about that from what I've read. But you can see, even though you pull this console front off, you still can't see those wires that well from back there, because they're all back there. Yeah, so you can't see. This is from the other side. You see the wires up there, down one down in there. They go down across that way. That's this set right here, not this set. And they go back under there. I literally can't see. Let me pull my light off. Hold on, bear with me. There. Now, where do they go? They're clipped to the top, and they go that way, right over to there. So what I'm going to do now, if I can get you guys set up so you can see it, I'm going to test the voltage with the key on. This is the main harness. I want to see if I have voltage to that blue and white wire. I got to figure out how to get you guys so you can see. All right, so what I want to do then, I'm going to get in your way for a minute. You can see this. I'm going to turn the key on, turn the fan on, use my ground to the black one and to the white one. And look, I have variable voltage. My ground slipped off. There, 12.2. So that wire is hot when the key is on. All right, welcome back. Hey, so what I've done is I cut the blue and white wire out of here and out of here. You can see a little piece right there. All right. And I spliced on a piece of 10 gauge red wire. I don't have it heat shrunk yet. I have the heat shrink here, but I don't have it done yet. But what I want to do is I want to plug everything back in. See, I'm not touching anything. Everything should be, let me zoom in a little bit. Oh, come on. Won't let me. Anyway, you can see it. I spliced it there, spliced it underneath here. Now I'm going to plug everything in and see if the fan works. Test, test, test. I turned my fan off out here because I want you to hear if the fan comes on. Key. And the fan's on. How about that? Awesome. And it's regulated. Okay. Okay, here we go. Test. Keys on. Oh man, here. Do it this way. I can't do it. See it? And that's on like 2. Blowing.